Magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat sa mainit na nagtanggap niya sa ating ngayong araw. I would first like to give a special thanks to our Laguna Mayor, Marcy Teodoro, Eduardo Francisco, the C2G2 group and all of its affiliates, the parallel groups, the event organizers, and all of the attendees that made this event happen. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. We've been getting invites to open HQs like this all around the country. People from all walks of life, youth groups, parallel groups, sectoral groups, community leaders, are volunteering their time and resources to help spread unity and love back into our country. We could not be more blessed to have supporters like you on our side.
Yes! BBM!
As you know, public service is a vocation. And if you ask me, I don't think anyone else knows that better than my father. Like my grandfather, Apalakay, before him, he loves our country. He loves Filipinos, and he loves the values that we all share and make us one. We now have the opportunity to set things right, to spread the message of love and unity, and to work together to build a better nation. Thank you so much for your time, and rather than hearing it from me, let's hear it from someone much more experienced and far more qualified. Although he couldn't be here right now, he prepared a special message group for you. My dad, BBM po. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Mayor Marcy, Chairman Ed, inyong ginawa rito sa bagong HQ natin. And congratulations on the opening today of our headquarters. Maraming salamat. This will be a big help in the campaign that Inday, Sara, and I are on right now. We have been meaning to come to visit you, Mayor, but we have had problems because of all the pandemic and etc. etc. Pero now that things are clearing up, I'm sure we will have a chance to come and see you. Thank you again. Thank you for all your help, and congratulations to our new Marikina HQ.
At dahil po doon, kung pwede lang naman natin kantahin ang theme song ng kampanya ng BBM.